Qatar's international reserves and foreign currency liquidity reaches $58.5 billion, and the British pound drops to its lowest level since 1985. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramya Faraj. Qatar's international reserves and foreign currency liquidity grew 2.01% year-on-year to $58.5 billion in August, a 1% rise from July. Qatar Central Bank says official reserves increased year-on-year by $873.1 million to $42.8 billion by the end of August. This was driven by the increased bonds and foreign treasury bills, which rose by $4.1 billion to $31.9 billion in August. The Qatari reserves comprise four categories: foreign securities, balances with foreign banks, gold, and Qatar's share of special drawing rights at the IMF. Emirates Airline will equip its future Airbus A350 fleet with an entertainment system made by French aviation supplier Thales. The new 50 aircraft will be equipped with Thales' premier Avant Up in-flight entertainment solution. The system consists of 4K displays offering over 5,000 TV channels, Bluetooth connections, Wi-Fi, and various charging ports for portable devices. Emirates has ordered 50 Airbus A350-900 long-haul aircraft, with deliveries scheduled to begin in 2024. European Central Bank policymakers could reach a historically large interest rate hike at their meeting today as they seek to tame soaring inflation. They're expected to announce a 75 basis point hike. If confirmed, it would be the largest regular interest rate hike in the history of the ECB since its founding in 1998. Inflation hit 9.1% in August, an all-time high for the Eurozone, and more than 4 times the 2% rate targeted by the ECB. Liz Truss is hammering out the final details of a plan to tackle soaring energy bills, which looks likely to cool inflation but add tens of billions to its borrowing. Sterling fell to its lowest level against the U.S. dollar since 1985, in part due to worries among investors about the scale of debt that Britain will have to sell to fund the energy support plan and the tax cuts that Truss also promised. Truss is reportedly considering freezing energy bills in a plan that could cost $115 billion. Energy majors Shell, Total Energies, ExxonMobil, BP, and Chevron are exaggerating their green credentials in public messaging while allocating just 12% of new investments for low-carbon activities. Analysis by industry watchdog InfluenceMap finds that Shell had the largest disparity between its green talk and actual low-carbon investment. 70% of Shell's communications last year contained at least one green claim, compared with just 10% of planned investment in low-carbon activities this year. The $258 billion racketeering lawsuit accusing Elon Musk of running a pyramid scheme to support the cryptocurrency Dogecoin has expanded, adding 7 new investor plaintiffs and 6 new defendants, including his tunnel construction business Boring Co. The suit alleges that Musk and his companies Tesla, SpaceX, Boring, and others intentionally drove up the price of Dogecoin more than 36,000% over 2 years and then let it crash. It alleges the defendants knew Dogecoin had no value, yet promoted it to profit from its trading. Former Disney CEO Bob Iger said a substantial portion of Twitter's users are not real in 2016 when Disney was considering acquiring the social network. Iger said their boards were about to enter negotiations when he got cold feet. Twitter maintains that less than 5% of its users are bot or spam accounts. Iger's comments come amid a legal battle between Elon Musk and Twitter as Musk tries to back out of the deal to buy the social media company for $44 billion. Besides the lawsuits, Musk seems to be doing very well according to the Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Musk is our biggest winner today, up a whopping $6.5 billion overnight with $259.8 billion in net wealth. Our second biggest winner today is Jeff Bezos, up $3.4 billion with net wealth of $152.9 billion. And our third place winner is Alphabet's Larry Page, up $2.2 billion with net wealth of $94.1 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. Apple has introduced its new iPhone 14 models capable of using satellites to send emergency messages. It also launched an adventure-focused Ultra Watch for sports like diving and triathlons. Apple says its satellite SOS will work with emergency responders. In some situations, users will be able to share their location via satellite when they have no other connectivity. In a welcome surprise, Apple didn't raise the price in line with global inflation. I'm Ramya Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.